Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about how to use LinkedIn as a startup even with 0 followers. Now there are 3 ways how you can use LinkedIn as a startup. The first one is you can use it to raise funding for your business, connecting with business angels and investors. The second way how you can use it to network with journalists, people in media, press, bloggers, to connect with them to get some buzz for your company. And the third way how you can use LinkedIn as a startup is you can connect directly with your customers, promote your products and services on the platform, and then increase the number of sales. Now, when you have 0 followers, you have to start building your network first. It's all about LinkedIn. You have to make the right choices early on and build a powerful network. And what you want to connect with is 3 types of people. Just the people we just talked about. You want to connect with potential investors or actual investors. You want to connect with people in media and press who might be interested in one of your products or services. So you don't have to have some initial conversation first, but you just want to build up your network. So whenever they are engaging with one of your company posts, it's most likely that it will be shown to some of their people in their network. And as things goes, most people who are, for example, working in media are connected to other people in media. When one of them likes something, there is a high probability that might create some ripple effect that will be seen by other people in media. Investors are often connected to other investors, and then the same ripple effect will take place. And then the last group of people you want to connect with is potential customers. Now, in the beginning, if you don't have 0 followers, you probably don't have any customers. So if you're using that as a recruitment strategy, you might use LinkedIn to connect with some people who might want to become a beta tester for one of your products. So by sending them an invitation and maybe offering them a free trial version or to become a beta tester, get some better conditions along the road, or even like a free account, depending on like what kind of business model you're running, you can get some initial traction, and you can use that asking people for testimonials, asking them for reviews. You have this new company page feature where you can highlight some of your products and services directly on your page, and you can ask some of your customers to write a review right on your page. And it's an incredible, powerful tool. The more reviews you can get in, the more buzz you can create. And when someone in media or press or blogger or whatever YouTuber is deciding to do some research and they click on your company page, they can see all the different products, they can find all the different testimonials. And that's a great source to create promotional content, to create buzz for your company, and to ultimately use that as the #1 sales generation tool for 2021. Now, if you have any questions about LinkedIn marketing for startups, let me know in the comments below. Also, check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I share my complete A to Z strategy, how to build up any business from scratch, how to develop a content marketing strategy on LinkedIn, and how to grow your business. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. Also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. And I see you in the next one. Bye.